Hi, my name is Richard Price and I'm with a company called High-Tech Battery Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble your own APC RBC43 battery. Before we begin, there are three tools that you need to use throughout the APC installation. The first of which is a flathead screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a Phillips head screwdriver. In order to get to the 8 batteries that make up the APC RBC43 pack, we must first remove the top of the unit. As you can see here, there are 4 Phillips head screws that hold the cover in place that need to be removed. Once the screws have been removed, we can then remove the lid of the RBC43 by lifting the cover at both ends. This will be exactly what the inside of the RBC43 looks like. Now there are several different methods to replacing these batteries. Here at the shop we like to replace one battery at a time. This helps to eliminate any possible confusion when it comes to the wiring of the batteries. To begin removing our first battery, we will need the help of our needle nose pliers. As you can see from the front of the pack here, there are white plastic wire connectors attached to the negative and positive terminal of each battery. To remove the plastic connector, you'll need to get a firm grip of it with your set of pliers and apply downward pressure. Once both of the wires have been removed, you can then take the battery out of the RBC43 pack. And you'll notice here that there is a clear plastic terminal protector over the positive terminal of the battery. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry the piece loose from the top of the battery. Once the terminal protector has been removed, it's time to put it on the positive or the red terminal of your new battery and begin its installation. Once the battery has been placed in the RBC43 tray, it's time to reconnect the wires using our needle nose pliers. Now you'll repeat that process for the 4 batteries in the first bank. Okay, now that we have the first bank of 4 batteries completed, we can then move on to the second bank. Take note of the space between the 2 banks. This will give you a little bit more maneuvering room to disconnect and reconnect your wires. If we take a look at the last two batteries in our RBC43 pack, you can see that there is a little bit of maneuvering room, as well as the fuse and the plug set up for the battery. Keep those connections in mind while disconnecting your wires. You do not want to slip up and accidentally damage the fuse. With the last of the two batteries in place and wired up, it's time to put the cover back on your RBC43 battery pack. Once the lid is in place, we can then secure the lid with the 4 screws removed at the start. One final test that we always recommend is the voltmeter test using the positive and negative terminals of the blue Anderson clip seen here. The proper voltage that you should see is between 48 and 51 volts. Well guys, thanks for watching our how-to video on the APC RBC43 battery installation. If you have any questions, you can either comment on this or head over to www.techbatterysolutions.com and click on the Contact Us Now tab. Thanks for watching.